Hello, everyone. Let's take a look at a couple of setups we did have on Friday um, for gold and also for crude. So for gold, so let's start here in this point and figure chart. So you see that there's a lot of consolidation from yesterday, from the day before, from Thursday. So you have here, you see that, the entry chart was very, very choppy in this area up here. Then it broke to the downside. Um, but there was, if you see here, there was a consolidation as well in the higher time frame Renko chart. So if we look at this right there, you see that we still have consolidation, and then it made a lower high and broke to the downside right here in the higher time frame. But it was against the trend, so probably not a good idea to take it. You could have a couple of points here in this area. Anyways, let's go to Friday. So the consolidation kept moving here to the side moving sideways in this point and figure, forming this box. So at 8:30 there were news as well. So when you are in this area here at 8:30, you are still in this consolidation. Try to break to the downside right here. You see there's a lot of choppiness still. Made a high, then the 200 moving averages started to move down, but it's still in this area of consolidation. So really very little thing to do here. If we go in this area here, 8:30, you see that this movement to the downside happened in actually 2 minutes from 8:30 to 8:32. So very choppy and very unexpected news have that effect sometimes. Then it went back up again and back into the channel and then keep moving down. And then in this here, in this area, right there, let's yeah, right there. Um, so it broke the 1798.4 level that I have painted in this in here. So let's see 1798.4, which is a midpoint in between resistance 1, which is this 1803, and 1793, which is the floor pivot, right? So went there and broke right there. So this is actually a good setup. So you have consolidation, touch that mid level, and then came back, touch the low side of that congestion area as well, and then touched it again second time, and this is a nice break. So it went all the way from here to there. The problem was that it was right before the market opened. So you see 928 here. So my rule is not to do trades 15 minutes before the market opens, because you never know what is going to happen. So if it's going to reverse, it's going to be a little bit choppy. So I give the market a couple of minutes, well, 15 minutes to make a decision on what it wants to do. So it went there, made another pivot high, and then came back to that breaking level. And this is typical, right? Goes up and then it comes and touches again, and then resume the entry. Now we do have another congestion area in the entry chart that broke right around this area here. So here is touched it on now the mid in between the resistance 1 and the resistance 2, and then broke and moved up. Okay. Let's see. This was what this one was at around 11:15. I was not looking at this break. I thought that, my thinking was that it was going to keep moving sideways, but it didn't. And so the I was not watching what was going on here. But if you see, kept moving up and then finished at the high of the day, um, right there. So in between, one and on, it didn't do that much. Just stayed in that level. Let's look at crude. So let's see. Crude is also. Let's see if we can reset that. So crude is also moving sideways. So it was in this area of congestion all the way till that bar right here where it broke. Right there, it broke to the upside. So lots of consolidation, horizontal, very very distinctive horizontal 32 moving average side. So nothing to do there, lots of consolidation. So you see, let's put it, I do have here also another box in this area. Broke right here, which is that same bar. And this one in the higher time frame broke around 11 a.m. as well. So I was not in the market there. 11:49, 11:48. So it made a move kind of quick, and then it came back and then moved to the upside again. This one is a confirmation of the uptrend, right? So here you see that it broke right there in the entry chart, broke right there at 10:48, and then moved up, one target out. Then another entry, probably you can get a couple of targets there, consolidated, broke here again to this area here, and then it started to consolidate in this area. So this is probably, so you have here one wave, which is this one here, two waves, this one here, three waves of movement, and then it started to do nothing till the end of the day. Try to break again here, but nothing really happened till the end of the day. A very congestion in between 81 and 81.5. I did not take any of these trades because it went out of choppiness or consolidation. Very very late for me. I was not looking at those trades. So I guess that would be the update for today. Thank you for watching.